Honda's Lane Keeping Assist System, LKAS, is designed to make driving more convenient by helping to keep your vehicle in the middle of a detected lane and provides alerts if the vehicle is detected drifting out of its lane. LKAS uses a windshield-mounted camera to detect lane markings and employs the electric power steering to help guide the vehicle to the middle of the detected lane. To activate the system, first press the main button on the right side of the steering wheel, and then press the LKAS button. Lane outlines will appear in the instrument panel, indicating that the system is activated. For the system to operate, the vehicle must be traveling between 45 and 90 miles per hour on straight or slightly curved roads, and neither the brake pedal, a turn signal, nor the windshield wipers are being used. When these conditions have been met and lane markings are detected, the lane outlines in the instrument panel will become solid as LKAS operation begins. Note that the system won't work if you take your hands off the wheel or otherwise stop steering the vehicle. To turn the system off, press either the LKAS button or the main button on the steering wheel. The system defaults to off when the ignition is shut off. It's important to note that LKAS may not detect all lane markings or lane departures. Accuracy will vary based on weather, speed, and lane marker condition. It is always your responsibility to safely operate the vehicle and avoid collisions. Please see your owner's manual for all LKAS conditions and limitations.